Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I know you love what you're seeing right on your screen. This is a short boho braid, that is short French coils boho braid. In this tutorial I'll be telling you everything you need to know about this short boho braid techniques on how to make it. So let's get started. So guys, when you start making your boho braid, just have to divide your hair into 3 sections and braid it 2 to 3 times before adding extension. The reason why you are doing this because you want the down of your hair to be neat and you want the extension that you'll be adding to lie well, that is to sit well on the hair. So while doing this, you try to plait the extension and your natural hair. Make sure that you plait them to be tight. I'm not saying that it should be harsh on your scalp. After plaiting this and adding your extension 2 or 3 times, you can go ahead and bring out 1 strand of the extension that you've added and braid again neatly before adding another one to it. So after doing this, make sure that you maintain a very neat braiding. Then you can go ahead to bring out another extension that is serving as your boho braid. So the reason why I said you should hold this firmly and make sure that it blends well with your hair is because you know that a French coil is very silky and soft. If you don't hold this firmly, it will make your braiding not to look neat and it will make it not to last also. So after braiding this, you keep on, it depending on how many times you want to be bringing out the boho braid. Also, it determines how full you want your boho braid to be. Some people like it to be scanty, but I'm sure this particular person wants our own boho braid to be full. The fuller it is, the finer it becomes. That is just the secret of this boho braid. Yes, it consumes extension a lot. While doing this, have it in mind that you have to use enough extension to do this, because the fuller it looks, the finer it becomes. So by the time you get to the tips of your hair, the natural hair, make sure that you braid it firmly with your extension so that it will not lose. At least you will make your hair to last longer. Then you can go ahead, after braiding to the edge of your hair, you can go ahead to bring out a very little strands of your French coils to wrap it like 4 to 5 times around the tips of your hair and tie it. After tying it, you can just drag it a little long on this video and do the same thing again repeatedly, extra 2 times again, to make sure that it sits well and is tight so that it's not losing. The reason why you do this because you don't want the hair to lose after braiding. So some people go ahead to use glue. I have dropped a tutorial on how to use glue on your French coils. I hope this short tutorial helped. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
It's just the start. Hair is the crown. We wear it proud. Style so clean. We stand out loud. Don't just watch. Come join the ride. Like, comment, and hit subscribe.